Wealth Builders, here's another real estate drive-by educational video brought to you by the Mills Funding Group LLC, an apartment acquisition and asset management company. I am your host, Nick Billions, your private money surgeon, and today we're going to go a little bit deep into the Harvard business training without the expensive tuition. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Disclaimer: I am not a lawyer, CPA, or securities professional. This info is purely based off of personal experience and opinion and should be consulted and verified by your attorney or CPA before moving forward with any mentioned investment strategies. This information is purely educational and not intended to present or market any securities opportunities. For more of what we do as a company and what we offer, you want to go to our homepage at privatemoney.benecompanies.com. Leadership involves vision, and that pretty much says if everything went right, this is what would happen. This is how the business will operate. Priorities: how do you best use your time? Do you waste your time doing certain things that won't produce results, or do you use your time best to do exactly what will produce the most results? Evaluation and alignment. Being a role model: practice what you preach. Okay, I don't know, I said reach, but practice what you preach. Integrity. Okay, be honest, be loyal, be true to your word. Do what you say you're going to do when you say you're going to do it, and people will follow that same mantra behind you. Succession: bringing people in that can replace you. You always want to look towards building a business that doesn't require your participation. Strategy: opportunities, strengths, weaknesses, threats to economies. Now, what we think of that, there's actually an analogy in the business plan called a SWOT, SWOT: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities for improvement, and threats to your company from your market. Core competencies: what are you good at? Differentiation: how you'll be different from the rest of the competition. When you compete on price only, you have low margins of success. So you find other niches and other types of methods to compete at and let everyone else compete on price. Okay? Why do you matter? Control: here are key ratios: cash on cash return, cap rate, debt to coverage ratio, NOI for you real estate investors out there. Cash flow cycle: this is money coming in every month. You got to keep up with it. You have to have control of that. Cash burn: and this is a fixed and variable cost per month. Expenses: critical numbers like the NOI, the equity being built, the debt service, and other important numbers that helps to shape your business and the direction it goes in. Critical factors: do capital improvements need to be made? Do interior improvements need to be made? Are there a lot of tenant issues that haven't been addressed? Oh, is the market changing? Is it time to sell, or is it time to hold? These are big critical factors for your business. Growth decisions. Marketing: it creates sales funnels. Okay, competitive advantage: what do you bring to the table? Why buy from you? Why invest with you instead of the multi-million-dollar man that's already doing well with his business? Customer centricity: that means your business is centered around your customers' needs. Very important. Innovation: how do you become different than your competition? Who is doing something differently, and how can you reinvent the wheel? And systems: control, finance, marketing, innovation, and strategy, all wrapped in one. A series of patterns and habits that creates one total successive result. Again, people, this is Real Estate Drive-By Education, bring it to you at its best, brought to you by the Mills Funding Group LLC, an apartment acquisition and asset management company. I'm your host, Nick Billions, the private money surgeon. And for more of what we do and what we offer, go to our homepage at privatemoney.benecompanies.com. Subscribe and like our Facebook page at facebook.com/private money savior. And like and subscribe our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Mills Funding Group. Thanks again, and I will bring you another video real soon.